So the next one on the list is an AEM developer. And so this is one where, again, depending on the needs, this can be more than one thing. AEM developer is a super specialized skill. It's not, so if you take your average like CS major coming out of college, and let's say they learn Java in college, they're not instantly viable as an AEM developer. You can make them into an AEM developer, but AEM development has there's a lot of tribal knowledge, a lot of domain specific skill that's involved. AEM's got its own templating language, which is different than anything else that you have to know. In addition to your out of the box kind of CSS and JavaScript type stuff, heavy duty Java, a lot of times you need to know lots of other things because you're connecting to other things. So you need to know how to get in and out of various APIs. You need to know how to talk to SQL, because half the time you've got some crazy, 15-year-old SQL database that you're trying to extract things out of, and run with. So it's definitely a skill to know what you need in terms of, is this person going to be primarily front end or primarily back end, is important to define when you're defining the skills that you need for a particular project. Because front end guys are especially these days with the advent of much more of this edge delivery stuff. Edge delivery is new tech from Adobe that's replacing. It's the direction that Adobe wants a lot of the front end to go. In the future, they're like, in the future everything's going to be edge delivery. I don't think it will be, but a lot will be. There's a lot of things that get kind of shoehorned where kind of the all I've got's a hammer, so everything's a hammer kind of a thing. That AEM gets used for that a lot right now. Like, we need a microsite. I've got AEM. It's like, nah, it wouldn't be the best for this thing. So edge delivery is something that I could get a CS grad out of college and say, yo, you're going to be my new edge delivery front end person. Are you sharp? Can you learn new stuff fast? How's your CSS? Like, good, great. Put you to work. So that sort of thing is, and that is one of the big pluses on edge delivery is how quickly you can get people up to speed.